So nasaan yung freedom? Kasi nagkakaroon ng mindsetting, it's a tool. So walang freedom talaga eh. Minsan sinusundan kahit mali. So if we are about press freedom, dapat hindi gano'n ang paraan nila. Sana wala na yung sa politika kasi dito nalalaro nila eh. Walang comparison eh. They will just have to ask people a sample. Ayoko namang puntahan yung kanilang scientific, palaging sinasabi scientific, kahit sabihin mo kanyang 1,200, 2,500, or 3 million ang sample mo based on the universe, doesn't matter eh. Pareho din eh, sabi niya. But the question remains eh. Number 22 ako consistently. Pagkatapos naging number 6 ako. How can you explain that?
We fully agree that this cannot and should not be used for political purposes.
Kaya nga po sana ang gusto nating baka isang araw mapag-isipan ninyong mabuti sa COMELEC. Let us allow surveys, pero sa mga produkto na lang yan. Pagdating sa politika, wag mo nang pakialaman yan because you are toying around and you are playing with our people. Mahirap yun. I will probably say myself as Exhibit A. Talagang napakasakit nun eh. Alam mo niyo mga kaibigan, mag-uusap-usap kami. Magkakaibigan na kami, Mr. Chair, Mr. Chairman. Pagkatapos naming mag-meeting, pero alam namin kanya, very good material ka for senator, pero alam mo, wala tayong pag-asa, number 22 ka. Mga kaibigan ko na ito eh. Wala naman akong magawa because ang mindset talagang, ilang Marcoleta ang maapektuhan nun. So, gusto ko sana, Mr. Chair, aralin din natin kung paano natin may sasakatuparan yung pagkuha ng... Hindi ko alam kung bakit kailangan kunin natin ang perception ng tao before election. Siguro 3 months before the election, wag na, bawal na. Kasi nga magkakaroon ng mindsetting. Gagawa na sila ng paraan. Nandun kasi yung kita na eh. This is a multi-billion industry. Alam natin kung sino yung funders. Hindi nila gagawin yon nang wala silang kikita. Alam din nila, kapag nalagay ka sa first 6, halimbawa, sa survey, pipilahan ka na ng mga funders. Itong mga survey firms na to, alam nila ito. So para maiwasan po natin yun, at magkaroon naman ng equal opportunity po yung most deserving candidates, bawalan na natin sila. Siguro, I don't know, we can start with 3 months before the actual election, wag na. Tapos na kayo, pinagbigyan na namin. Ang crucial po kasi dyan, habang dumarating yung election, nandun po yung ano eh. Tama si Senator Zubiri. Huwag nila sasabi, ginagamit lang. Hindi po, nasa radyo sila, sila po yung nagsasabi. At nasa mga magazine, nasa newspapers. Kapag hindi ka SWS at hindi ka Pulse Asia, at gumawa ka ng sarili mo, hindi ka pa... But Pulse Asia and SWS, parang institusyon eh. Para bang kung ano yung pinrint nila, that is already the gospel truth. Mr. Chair, this is an undertaking na sana ay makita din ninyo.
Definitely, Mr. Chair, we will definitely consider that po. Kung kinakailangan enhance namin yung aming pong present regulation, we will do that. Pag-aaralan na rin po namin yung 3 months before the election. That is a very good suggestion. But we will likewise provide the committee yung pong aming resolution so that we can provide the Office of the Good Senator, Mr. Chair, para po matulungan din kami. Maybe we can come up also with a piece of legislation para po hindi lang po COMELEC regulation, kung hindi may batas din to strengthen. Kasi po kung COMELEC regulation lang, sasabihin nila, usurpation of legislative prerogative. At least po kung may batas, then we will implement yung pong dalawang yon, pag napastrengthen natin, we will now put an end to this practice of influencing voters.
Mr. Chairman. Yes, naalala ko si Senator Gordon was very active on that, remember? Si Senator Gordon was very active on that. Unfortunately for him, nung ginawa niya yung survey firm, di na siya pumasok sa Magic 12 sa lahat ng survey. Hindi ko alam kung ayan ay common ground na mga survey firm na gawin yun. Pero ang akin lang po, Chairman, kasi tama yung sinabi din ni Senator Marcoleta. I recalled this last election, 1 week before elections, sila naging spokesperson na. Iniimbita sila sa mga news outlets at social media post na sila na mismo kumakampanya na. Ito na, wala nang iba na mananalo. It looks like 90% of the winning candidates of the next week's elections will be coming from this group. Hindi na maganda po yun, Mr. Chairman. Kasi maganda lang kung sabihin nila, ito yung facts, ito yung numero namin, kayo na bahala mag-interpret. Pero ito yung lumalabas sa aming survey firm. Pero kung sila na mismo nagsasabi, and you can check all the news items, who are being interviewed, who are frequently being interviewed, saying that ito na, wala nang iba, ito nang mananalo. Tapos na iba nga.
And
Kaya-
it will,
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
it will greatly weaken your resolve as a candidate.
Yes, it will frustrate the candidate, Mr. Chairman. And sayang naman, no, imbis na last stretch na, mangangampanya ka ng mas talagang magpupursige ka at mangangampanya kang 24/7, house to house nga, ika nga. Hindi ka na mangangampanya kasi nakalagay doon sa survey, number 20 ka, wala ka na. Parang nawala ka na ng gana.
Pero,
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, masaya kami ngayon. Masaya kami ni Senator Migs, Senator Sherwin. Sa nangyari sa 2025, naniniwala kami, wala na naniniwala sa surveys. Salamat po, Mr. Chair. Thank you, sir, for
Thank you very much,
that
Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat.
Senator Marcoleta,